everyone, so today we're going to be making our own tortilla chips. So the things you're going to need is some tortillas, some sort of spray to spray your baking pan, a little bit of salt, a baking pan, probably one of these pizza cutters or a knife to cut your tortillas, and an oven. And I just want to mention the tortillas that I'm using are actually low carb tortillas. I think they are 4 grams of net carbs per tortilla. So I'm actually making low carb tortilla chips, or you can use regular tortilla chips or regular tortillas. Okay, so the first thing you need to do is heat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. And then you need to cut your tortillas. So I'm just using 2, so it should make about, I think about 16 chips, depending, 8 or 16, depending on how you cut it. I'm gonna take my pizza cutter, and I'm just gonna cut it in triangles. That's whatever size you wanna do, if you wanna make them smaller or bigger. Alright, so there's those. And today we are baking tortilla chips, but let me know if you guys want me to also do a video on how to fry your own tortilla chips. So those are all cut. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and get my baking pan. I'm running out of room over here. I'm just gonna lightly spray it with olive oil or whatever cooking. Just lightly spray it with olive oil or whatever cooking spray you want to use. And then I'm just going to lay my tortillas out on here. This is kind of a smaller pan, so hopefully they all fit. Okay, I might just be able to fit them all. Maybe. Scooch. Okay. Okay, so here is all of my chips on here. I'm just going to sprinkle on just a little bit with salt, and then I'm going to put them in the oven for 6 minutes. Okay, so I am just getting them out of the oven. I'm going to go ahead and turn these over. They're in there for 6 minutes at 350. I'm going to turn them over. I can already tell that they are a little bit crispy. Turn that. Go ahead and use these tongs to turn them over, but it's a little bit difficult. Turn them. Okay, and then I'm going to go ahead and salt these before they go in the oven. I'm going to put them back in for about 6 to 8 minutes, depending on how crispy you want them. Okay, so I went ahead and I had them in there for about 8 minutes, and I'm just going to show you what they look like. They're nice and crispy. So I'm just going to put them in this bowl over here. Got a bowl with paper towel. Just to keep in mind, if you're baking them instead of frying them, they are going to have a little bit of a different texture, but they still get crispy enough to dip. So I'm gonna just put them in here and just toss a little bit of salt. Shake it around. Okay, so here is my plate of tortilla chips with some guacamole. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Check out all my links below, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye.